Signal to noise ratio, approximately 25-30 dB front to back. The noise is around minus 115 dB. Now, same signal. We'll flip to the high Z. Front to back. Front, back, front, back, front. Here's the noise level. Notice it's about minus 110 on the same signal. And not very much front to back ratio. Next test is mixing or IMD products from the AM broadcast band at 160 meters. I can flip from high Z to the SAL. Just by flipping that switch. We look at the pan adapter, adjust the level, about minus 115 for noise level. And you can see the mixing products on the SAL about every 10 kilohertz. High Z has a higher noise level as well as another 15 dB, maybe 20 dB of mixing products. High Z, SAL. High Z, SAL. High Z, SAL. AM broadcast band mixing. Mixing AM broadcast band products, mixing in the AT meter band. We are on the high Z, SAL. High Z, you can see there's a baseline of about minus 110 noise level. SAL products are much lower, 25 dB lower. We're pointing in the same direction. 80 meter band mixing products. High Z, which has the high Z AM band filter in it, and the SAL, which has the filter before the first preamp. High Z, SAL, demonstrating preamp performance, mixing, and the effectiveness of having a filter in front of the first preamp, which you cannot do on an open probe antenna such as in the HI-Z products.